The truth about the US tariffs. What's really going on with the US tariffs in 2025? Let's simplify the truth behind all the headlines. First, what are these tariffs? In 2025, the Donald Trump administration has imposed large tariffs on goods from many countries, aimed at boosting USA made goods, reducing trade deficit, and urging other countries to change trade practices. For US manufacturer, a possible boost making goods in America becomes more attractive. For US consumers, potentially high price impact cost more, so everyday goods can get pricier. Economy studies show tariffs can reduce consumer welfare. For global trade, other countries may retaliate with their own tariffs. Supply chain get disturbed and markets get uneasy. The US had launched a universal baseline tariff and then reciprocal additional tariff depending on country's trade deficit. The USA goal: push for more USA manufacturing, reduce dependency on foreign suppliers, and fix what it sees as unfair trade practices. But economists warn if everyone retaliates, the US may lose ground for India or other countries. This means things could get more expensive but if exported to US, but also there may be opportunity if you supply to other markets or capture new trade flows. The truth, US tariffs are not just about protecting jobs. They are a complex trade weapon that affects price, business decision and global trade network. If you are an investor, business student, especially since you are studying for MBA or someone looking to global trends, this matters. For ordinary people, expect ripple effects, higher cost on some goods, but also shifts in where things are made from home. If you liked this, hit the like button, share with your friends, and follow this page for more finance, economy, and global trends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.